If you're managing your money in 2026 the same way people did 5 years ago, you're probably leaking money every single month. The world changed. Prices changed. Interest rates changed. Even how banks and apps handle your money changed. But most people still using outdated money habits, and it's quietly costing them thousands. In this video, I'll show you 5 major personal finance changes in 2026 that smart people are already using to stay ahead, and how you can use them starting today. Let's fix your money system. Hi, welcome to Calm Money, where we build financial confidence without the stress, hustle, or complicated spreadsheets. If you want simple systems that actually work in real life, not theory, hit subscribe. All right, here's change number 1. Change 1. Simplicity is beating complexity. In the past, people thought being good with money meant tracking every tiny expense, using 5 apps and checking numbers every day. In 2026, the shift is towards simple automated systems instead of constant manual budgeting, because complexity leads to burnout, and burnout leads to quitting. Smart money managers now focus on automatic bill payments, automatic savings, fewer accounts, but with clear purposes. The goal is no longer control everything. The goal is build a system that runs without you. Change 2. High interest debt is now emergency level. With borrowing costs and interest pressures staying high, carrying credit card debt is more dangerous than ever. In 2026, financially smart people treat high interest debt like a financial emergency, not something to pay later, because a balance sitting there isn't neutral. It's actively working against you every day. The shift is fewer lifestyle upgrades, more aggressive debt payoff, using strategies like avalanche or snowball. Before investing, before upgrading your phone, before anything, kill expensive debt first. Change 3. Savings buffers are getting bigger. The old rule was 3 to 6 months of expenses. In 2026, more people are building large emergency cushions because life costs more and uncertainty is higher. Job markets shift fast. Medical costs rise. Unexpected expenses are bigger than before. So the new mindset is savings equals security plus peace of mind, not just a number in a bank. Even starting small matters. The habit of automatic saving is more important than the amount. Change 4. Automation and tech are doing the work. Money management is becoming more automated through digital tools and smarter financial systems. People are relying less on willpower and more on scheduled transfers, auto investing, alerts and tracking tools. Because discipline is unreliable, systems are reliable. If your finances depend on "I'll remember later," you're using an outdated method. Modern money management equals set it once, let it run. Change 5. Mental peace is now a financial goal. This is the biggest shift. Money success in 2026 isn't just about numbers. It's about reducing stress. People are moving away from constant financial anxiety, over-optimizing every dollar, and toward clear systems, guilt-free spending money. Knowing bills and savings are handled automatically, because wealth that destroys your peace isn't success. So here's what's really changing. Old way, manual, stressful, reactive money management. New way in 2026. Simpler systems, faster debt payoff, bigger safety nets, automation, financial peace as the goal. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to update your system. Which of these changes are you already doing? And which one do you need to fix first? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. And if you want more calm, no-nonsense money systems, subscribe. Your future self will thank you.